Well, it is going on 7 o'clock, and it looks like it's going to be time to rotate the tires. They're getting worn on the edges, and I still got a couple in the back. Actually, these in the back here are pretty worn. I'm going to pull them off. But two good ones that I've bought about 3 years ago, 2.5, 3 years ago, and put them on these rims and move them to the front, those in the front to the back. So yeah, it's about time. So I'll show you the tires I got in the back, and we're gonna go get them put on here probably first thing. All right, here we go. Yeah, a lot better tread. These are used but in like new condition, so we might be able to get a couple years out of them. But yeah, so that's where I'm heading. Go ahead and get these two tires put on, and that way, the wife was complaining actually about the alignment a little bit, but it might be the tires. I'll get the alignment done at a later date. I already had it done, but you know, roads and potholes will knock it out of line. So yeah, so anyway, let's head on over to the tire shop and get some tires put on. All right. Well, it's going to be a stormy morning. Storms are moving in. I'll try to fix the mirror here. Wait for traffic. Yeah, we'll just get to the tire shop. They open up at 7, which is 1 minute away. So yeah, get the tires put on. The ones in the front move to the back. Yeah, like I said, the tires, it probably needs an alignment. I mean, I don't know, let me see. Get it straight here. Yeah, it pulls to the right a little bit. So I had the alignment done 2-3 years back. Yeah, you hit potholes or whatever, and that seems to knock it out. Yeah, I'm not too concerned about the alignment. I mean, even when I did get it aligned, it wasn't perfect. It still pulled a little bit, so I don't know why. All right, good. I can probably beat the traffic here. Around the old college. Take the shortcut. Yeah, it's actually getting nice out. It's 57. The temperature has been rising. I've been up since about 6, and it was 51. Now it's already moved up to 57. They're saying the high could get up to around 70 with strong storms. Don't think we're going to have any tornadic storms. Those might be more to the eastern sections of the state. Well, both Carolinas actually. But yeah, this is pretty nice. Latter part of February, and we're getting spring-like conditions. Let's see. 2 days ago it was like in the mid-60s. Yesterday it was in the mid-40s. Today it's going to be near 70. And then tomorrow it's going to be back in the 40s again. So it's like yo-yo weather. But yeah. It's alright. Spring is not too far away. Once it gets to be March, yeah, things start to warm up nicely around here. Beat the quick traffic. Alright, nothing that way. Good. Okay. Yep, lights are on. So good. Hopefully being one of the first ones here, we can get in and get out. I don't know. I've got vehicles all over the place already. Yep. We already know. Yeah, we already got one in the bay. And it looks like a truck, actually. They're going to be pulling it out, so yeah, I guess we're going to wait. Clouds are looking threatening. Might see some rain while we get the tires put on. Uniroll. Let's see, what brand are these tires? I didn't even look at them. They're not Michelin's. They're hell, I don't even know. I can't even see them. Some sort of Sincera. Yeah. Falcon? I don't know. Alright, Middle Bay. Already got the back hatch open. So, yeah. I already told them the ones in the front are getting moved to the back. The ones in the back are getting dismounted. New tires put, or the tires in the back put on and moved to the front. Right. Good deal. Yeah, got all sorts of crap in the back. Getting it jacked up now. Right. Now that's a stack of tires. Wow. Alright. Yeah, going up. Oh, some nice looking tires. I wonder if they even fit my truck. What size are they? Look at 285, 75, 17s. Okay. Huh. Not too bad, not too bad. Oh yeah, they're about ready. Alright, there's the used ones we'll take home. For spares, maybe. School bus. Fun. Yeah, balancing over there in the corner. Alright. Rain's on. That's all she wrote. All right, in and out, just like that, before the big storms come rolling in. All right, let's reverse on out. Okay. I got the 2 used tires in the back. All right. And I think I'm clear. Okay. That's a huge stack of tars. All right, well, that was fun. Good, no traffic. We'll head on out. So yeah, that'll help the wife. All right, I can make my turn. Yeah, actually I'm testing the alignment. Now that I got 2 good tires on the front, and yeah, it's not pulling to either side now. So, yeah, it may have just been the tires. I was told that if you have different treads, which those 2 aren't, they're identical tires, that would affect it. But, I don't know, these, yeah, it's not pulling, so yeah, I don't really think we need an alignment right now. So we might be good to go, save some money there. But yeah, that total price for the tires, let's see, 2 dismounts, 2 mounts and balance, and the 2 move to the back, $42. So yeah, not cheap, but yeah, that'll do, at least for another couple years. Yeah, those tires are the ones I found on Craigslist. I bought about 3 years ago, 2.5, 3 years ago, and it was a set of 5. 2 tires were already shot, 3 were good. One of them was the Walmart tire, and I just bought a second matching tire for like 55, 60 bucks, whatever, 65, I can't remember. And so those are the 2 that were on the front, and then the ones on the back that I just had dismounted were original ones that I was letting wear down a little bit longer. And then, yeah, these other 2 that I just had put on was part of that set of 5. So yeah, now I've got all the tires on the minivan. $100 basically. So yeah, I wound up reselling the rims for like $40. Yeah, $40. And I think one decent used tire that was left with a rim, I sold it for $20. So yeah, I made my money back, most of it, and still got the tires, so it wasn't too bad of a deal. Yeah. So now we're about home. Having fun checking the water meter in the rain. So, yep, like I said, I'm about home, so I guess we'll just wrap up this to and fro early morning tire adventure, tire swap. So until next time, adios.